Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope that you are doing well. And Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well over the moon by the grace of Almighty Allah. So right now actually I have come here at Jawtala for my exercising. So right now I'm doing my exercise as well as I try to make new videos for my practicing purpose. So you know that I want to be a fluent speaker in English, so that's why actually I try to make video and I try to practice here and I try to practice English every day because of, so if I don't practice English, so how will I teach my student and how will I make them a fluent speaker in English? So over there you can see there is a very big pond. Okay, so right now I'm walking, so you can see, and over there there is a lots of painting. So there is a lots of memory of July 36, and there are lots of memory of July. And you know that July movement was the great and very important movement in Bangladesh. You know that the July movement was a very important movement for Bangladesh. So I do not want to talk about this matter right now. So okay, let's see.